Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to create an account on Blogger. So without further ado, let's start. First, go to your browser and then search for blogger.com. And then you can see create your blog. Just tap on that. Now choose an account. And then next, you can now choose a name for your blog. And then click on next. Now choose a URL for your blog. And then click on next again. You can now choose your display name. Now click on finish. Now your Blogger account has been created. You can now start posting. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.